So here's that line plot we put together of the hours that I worked on schoolwork in July. It shows how many hours I've spent working on things for school, like taking classes, attending meetings, making teaching videos, putting things on YouTube, making virtual classes. Everything I did in summertime to get ready for school in the fall. Here's the line plot again. And here's my question for your math journal that goes with this line plot. According to the line plot, how many total hours did I work on school in July? Make sure to answer in a sentence, show your work, and explain your thinking. Here's the line plot graph one more time so that you can hit pause and spend your time really going over the data. When you're done, show it to your teacher for feedback. And I'll see you on the next Math Journal journey.